In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox in Wix, whether you're looking to grab your visitors' attention with an announcement, promote a special offer, or simply create a more engaging experience on your website. Lightboxes are a fantastic tool. They pop up on your site with eye-catching designs and can be customized to suit your exact needs. The best part? Wix makes it super easy to add and configure them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know everything you need to get started. Let's dive right in and make your website even more dynamic. First, you'll want to open the Wix Website Editor. This is the platform where you can fully customize your site. So go ahead and log into your Wix account and access the editor. Once you're in, navigate to the editor for the specific website you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, be sure to select the correct one from your dashboard. This ensures that all the changes you make will apply to the right project. Now that you're in the editor, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the plus icon. This is your go-to button for adding all kinds of elements to your website, including text, images, and of course, lightboxes. Click on the plus icon to open the menu. From there, you'll see a range of categories for different elements you can add to your site. Scroll down until you find the category labeled Interactive. This is where Wix stores all the dynamic elements that can make your site more engaging, including lightboxes. Click on Interactive to open up the options. Within the Interactive category, you'll notice a variety of lightbox styles. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Welcome Lightbox option, but feel free to explore the other designs as well. Just select the one that best suits your goals. If you're looking to greet visitors as soon as they land on your site, the Welcome Lightbox is a great choice. Simply click on it to add it to your page. Once the lightbox has been added, you can refine its purpose. If you want to highlight a specific announcement, you can choose the Announcements option. This is perfect for promoting sales, sharing important updates, or drawing attention to new content. Take a moment to explore the other options as well to see what might work best for your needs. Wix gives you plenty of flexibility here. Next, it's time to configure how and when the lightbox will appear. This is managed through the Set Triggers button. Click on it, and you'll see several options for customizing the timing and behavior of your lightbox. For example, you can set it to appear immediately when a visitor lands on the page, after a short delay, or even when they click on a specific element. Think about the user experience you want to create and choose the trigger that aligns with your goals. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to name your lightbox. This will make it easier to identify later, especially if you plan on using multiple lightboxes across your site. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose, like Welcome Pop-up or Holiday Sale Announcement. This step might seem small, but it'll save you a lot of time when managing your site later on. Finally, make sure the lightbox is set to display automatically on the relevant pages. There's an option you can enable for this, and it ensures that the lightbox will pop up without you having to manually activate it each time. This is especially useful for site-wide announcements or promotions, as it guarantees that all visitors will see the lightbox at the appropriate time. And that's it. You've successfully added a lightbox to your Wix website. With just a few clicks, you've created a dynamic feature that can help boost engagement and make your site more interactive. Now you can customize the design, add your text or images, and watch how it helps you connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.